In this video, we'll be learning how to review parts on order on an RO. First, we will need to have the RO number. Next, hold the Control key down and press the number 3 key located on top of the keyboard. This opens the Control 3 window, and now you can search in many different ways like RO number, CT number, writer advisor number, phone number, or by customer. For this example, we will use RO number 279826. Type this RO number in the RO box and then press search. It will bring up all the parts that are on order for that RO. The top half of the window that reads Received but not posted are parts that were ordered and are at the dealership but not yet billed to an RO. The bottom part of the window, Not Yet Received, are on order but not delivered yet. You can also, on the customer button on the top left, click on Find, type the last name Baker in the box, then tab to the next box, type M in the box, and then click OK to search. On the vehicle side of the window, there is a highlighted box, Linked Parts. Click on it and the Parts window opens. On top are the parts that are on order. The bottom shows existing parts linked. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to review parts on order on an RO.